Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift your truck if necessary. Remove any brackets or lines from the area. Step 3. Slide the frame section onto the frame and clamp it in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place, then weld all edges fully. Step 4. Paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall any brackets or lines.